My video guide is about getting rid of the ransomware called Albasa. In this video guide, you will find out why exactly this ransomware is called like that and what you can do to get rid of it. The video guide will also demonstrate to you how negative this ransomware is and how damaging it is. Before the ransomware attack, people can open their files without problems. Unfortunately, because of certain vulnerabilities in the existing security software, due to certain leaks in the security protection of the specific computer, this Albasa ransomware may be easily injected into the system. Then pretty soon people realize that their files have been damaged and that they cannot use their data anymore. You may trace this Albasa ransomware through a task manager, and if you find any suspicious processes that are running in the background, the chances are that this is the process related to the ransomware. Unfortunately, sooner or later, people may realize that they cannot use their documents anymore. So, the ransomware encrypts the files and then adds a special extension to them without letting people use these documents. So now you can clearly see the results of the ransomware attack. This Albasa extension has been added. And it says that your company is hacked and compromised. So customers are no longer able to open their files. The files are encrypted by this particular Albasa ransomware. Here it says that the amount of files that were processed is 690, but of course in your case the number may be different. The ransomware tells the victims to pay the ransom for file restoration. However, this does not guarantee that the files will be restored, so please do not ever pay the ransom. We recommend you to immediately remove this ransomware from your computer, and we suggest that you use a special program called Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. Download the program through this green button, install the software, and start carefully researching your device with its help. You might need to go to Program Files directory, then look for Combo Cleaner and start the application directly through this location. First of all, the program will update its anti-malware database. By the way, initially it is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Then click on Start Scan button. The program should update its anti-malware database for proper malware detection. So after the anti-malware database has been successfully updated, the program begins scanning your system, and you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner, such as the anti-ransomware feature. It allows you to add one or several folders on your system that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. Remember that Combo Cleaner works very well at detecting and deleting the majority of ransomware type threats, and with this anti-ransomware tool, your files and your data will always be protected. So wait until the scanning is completed and you will see the full summary of threats. Even though based on that summary you may remove some of these threats manually, we do recommend upgrading to Premium to delete all these threats automatically.